Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be cooking spaghetti. These are the things you will need for a spaghetti. So you'll need a ground, all ground, natural turkey, pasta, angel hair noodles, chunky tomato, garlic, and onion seasoning. So I'm using large seasoned salt and minced garlic. Hey guys, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is putting it into a pan. Now I am not going to be using all of these. I'm going to be using half of it. Probably about this much of it. Alright, so as you see, I use almost half of it, mainly more. But yeah, this right here is gonna be for another video. So stay tuned. Guys, now it's time to season. So like I said, I'm gonna be using this large black pepper with crack bell, yeah. Alright. And then the other seasoning is the minced garlic. Alright. And we're just gonna mix it up. And by the way, I'm gonna be posting a video either before this video, yes, of course, but what's today? Probably today or tomorrow. I gotta do an intro, so yeah, but I'm doing an intro now. So if you want intro vibes, like how to do an intro or anything, go on Flawless Edits, my YouTube channel, and yeah, subscribe. I'm actually gonna be cutting the rest of these in small pieces and putting in the ground turkey. Place you right here. I already know. Minced garlic in the water. This is almost done. Need to soften it. Not as much. So now we're gonna put it in. And we're gonna get the raspberry. things thinking. So this is the final product. I don't know why it looks like this, but it's more redder basically. Hold on, I decided to add more sauce because yeah. But yeah, let me do a taste test. It's good. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all guys use my recipe on cooking y'all spaghetti. And tell me something like you do different. Do you add sugar? Do you add another season? What do you do? Because I don't know. And what do you use? Do you use another pasta noodle or a different pasta sauce? Just tell me in the comments, and thank you guys for the views and a like. And subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace. Anything I cook is good, so yeah.